Hello everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Repairs. A customer hired us to fix the termite damage on this eave tail. You can see that we have that side done. And then we had a little bit more of it over here. On this side of the tail. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your termite repairs at your home or your office. Have a great day and thanks for watching our video. More than happy to come out and do all the termite repairs you have at your home or your office. Have a great day and bye for now.